Hi, and welcome to an irrigation video. Today we're going to be splitting a water line. I find these spray nozzles are not working right now because when I hook up a hose to one end, it's too long to get a nice even spray. So the line is about 100 feet long, close about 96 feet, because this greenhouse is 96 feet. So I'm going to split it, put in a piece that will allow me to control top or bottom, and also provide it with a better water supply, a 1-inch water supply as opposed to a usual typical 3 to 3/4 inch hose supply. I've got my really nice cutting tool. This was like 30 bucks and well worth it if you're going to be doing a lot of this stuff. So I'm just going to line up and try and get it in the middle, which is about here. And the line is going to fall as soon as I cut it. I am anticipating that. There we go. So then this is my piece here. So you can see just a double valve end. And I've already gone to the work to glue it all ahead of time. So we're just going to glue this piece. Just going to clean it up. So I'm going to dry fit it first. Make sure that it all goes together and works well before I get the glue on it, and it looks pretty good. So I've got the purple primer. Purple primer is great, really just preps the surface for the glue. I've already primed on the inside of my valves, so I'm just going to prime the outside of the pipe here. Nice and purple, and you can just get it from any plumbing store. It's pretty simple and straightforward. It is PVC pipe that I'm using. I'm gonna get my nice big jar of glue. And the glue, I'm gonna do the inside and the outside because I don't want any leaks. Some people will just do one side, doesn't really matter. Whatever works for you. But always easiest to do the inside first. And I'll be honest, this one is a little slightly big for the application. But it works okay. Just get the outside of the pipes. And a couple of drips. Then I'm just going to try and make sure that I've got it in line and straight. That I'm straight with the spray nozzles. Keeping them all straight, and it looks pretty good. There, that's really about it. I'm gonna wait a couple minutes for everything to dry before I turn on the water line, but we'll be able to do that shortly, and then I'll flush these lines and we'll be able to plant in here soon. That is all. And then we really like to use these kind of quick connect unions, quick connect couplers. I can't remember what they're called. But it just allows us some flexibility on the farm. We always try and have the female end as the stationary and the male end as the piece that moves. That way it's unified around the farm and we can interchange pieces as needed. And I've really tried to tighten everything down very well. And I'm going to turn this, and I think we can go ahead and flush the lines. This is very quick drying glue. Now that I've flushed the line, I'm going to go ahead and try out the nozzles and see how clear they are. Okay, so some of them are having some issues, so let's start. Because the easiest way to do this is removing the pin. I'm not sure what's ranging it through there. It really clears it out. Okay. To get it back on, you just get wet. And I can close it. And that one is at least clean now. Never really know where it's going to spray when my sputter's going to get wet. That one. that I cleaned. Oh,